This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Express for YouTube videos. First, open Adobe Express and select a YouTube video template to begin. You can choose from thousands of free stock photos, videos, and music tracks to kickstart your project. Alternatively, easily upload your own media, like your brand logo or custom footage, to personalize your video and make it uniquely yours from the very start. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative journey. Now, let's dive into editing and customizing your video. Adobe Express offers intuitive drag-and-drop tools, allowing you to effortlessly adjust video clips, images, and text. You can apply professional-grade filters and effects to enhance your visuals, giving your content a polished and engaging look. Furthermore, utilize the vast library of fonts and graphic elements to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring consistency across all your YouTube content. To truly elevate your YouTube video, focus on audio and transitions. Integrate captivating background music from the extensive royalty-free audio library, setting the perfect mood for your content. You can also record clear, professional voiceovers directly within the application, adding a personal touch to your narration. Finally, apply smooth, seamless transitions between your scenes to ensure a polished and professional flow, keeping your viewers engaged from start to finish. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to export and share. You can export your finished YouTube video in stunning high definition, ensuring top-notch quality for your audience. Adobe Express allows you to share your video directly to YouTube with just a few clicks, or you can download it for use on other platforms. Plus, easily resize your video for different social media platforms, like Instagram or TikTok, with one simple click, maximizing your reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.